of broken promises, all mistakes we have run. No more tears for me, oh the person I've become. I refuse to read your stories in my head anymore. And I won't cry for times so long gone. 'Cause right now could be the good old days of tomorrow. 'Cause right now could be the good old days of tomorrow. I've been living in my past for too long. Barely alive, for too long. Barely alive. I've been living in my past for too long. Barely alive, for too long. Barely alive. Goodbye to my own habits. I'm dreaming right away. 'Cause what's gone is gone, so I just walked away. And I know that I have said this at least 1,000 times, but I made up my mind. It's time to revive. 'Cause right now could be the good old days of tomorrow. Right now could be the good old days of tomorrow. I've been living in my past for too long. Barely alive, for too long. Barely alive. I've been living in my past for too long. Barely alive, for too long. Barely alive. Everything that I have ever been, 'cause I'm just a sum of stories, all the mistakes I have run. 'Cause I wave goodbye to everything that I have ever been, 'cause I'm just a sum of stories.